Hello and welcome to my Rails project. So here's my GitHub repository. Here's where you would clone this project onto your local environment. But since it's already in my local environment here, I'm just going to start by running my Rails server so I can see it in the browser. Okay, and then if I navigate to localhost, okay, so here's my web app. It's a place where you can see indie music shows. So here, if I'm not logged in, my nav bar options are only sign up or log in. But without logging in, I can still see the shows that are happening tonight. I can still see specific shows, but I can't edit the shows. So here I can see it's a nested resource of artists. Artist number 11 is Kid Hawk. And see if I try to go to the edit page manually, it'll redirect me back. So that is in my shows controller where it'll redirect me unless the show artist is the current artist. So unless I'm logged in as Kid Hawk, I can't edit Kid Hawk's shows. I also added a protection here in the update method, just in case somebody tried to enter their own params. So yeah, I can also see different artists. If I enter blank search, I see all the artists here. I can see profiles. I allowed artists to upload a picture if they want and to display the picture here. And I did that. You can see here I made a version of the uploaded pictures called Profile, and I resized it. I used Gems, Carrier Wave, and Mini Magic to do that. I never did that before, so it's kind of interesting. And you see here I have upcoming shows, past shows. I list also the venues played. So yeah, you can see the different venues, but again, you can't add a new venue unless you're logged in, or you can't edit a venue unless you're logged in. So here, if I wanted to go to edit, it'll redirect me back again. Okay, we can also search. That works. It'll pull up whatever we search for. We can see a show calendar. It just shows us every show happening that's entered in here. Can also just look at all venues entered in. But again, like if I tried to go venues new, it'll just redirect me back here. Okay, and then say I want to log in. I used OmniAuth, so you can log in with Facebook. So here it has all my Facebook information because I had been using this. But it successfully authenticated. It shows me that message from Devise. Also I used Bootstrap, so you can see my nav bar will change based on the width of my browser window. But so here you see now I have options. I can edit the profile. Go home. And so here it'll show me the shows tonight. If I go to my profile, now I have options to edit artist info, enter a new show, and enter a new venue. So if I enter a new show, you can see I can select an existing venue or I can enter a new venue. I also have validations here, so it won't let me add a show that doesn't have a venue or that doesn't have a date. So let's say I want to make a show for tonight. So here I have to do the year first, 9/15, show tonight. And let's say I try to enter a new venue. but I enter it the same name as a different venue. It tells me it's already been taken. So here you can see in my models, I adjusted the uniqueness so that it's case sensitive. So it doesn't matter if it's capital or lowercase, it still recognizes that that name's already been taken, but I can select it here. And then there, I can also edit it. If I wanted to make a new venue here, I could. Another venue, Arlene's Grocery. Okay, and then it updated it here. All right, and now I want to go to my profile. It's similar if I wanted to enter a new venue. I have validations here, it'll hit. Similarly with signing up, I have validations. I also had to put these different attributes here. I had to do a custom controller with devise in order for it to accept these attributes. So you can see that here. My registrations controller inherits from my devise registrations controller, and it allows these attributes to bypass strong params. So yeah, that's about it for my Rails project. I guess I can see it has all these protections here for like a different email. This email's already been taken. I'm pretty sure that's about it. I used some partials here to display errors in my views. So in venues and shows where you create a new object or edit it, you can pass it the instance variable and it'll show the relevant errors. I use a helper just to show the date displaying. So you can see that, say, show index. So here's date display and it takes the show from here. All right, so I think that's about it. Thank you for watching about my Rails project. All right.